Goed.
Yeah, it's our first time to go out. It's really cold.
No, it's not. Hij wel een t-shirt. Welkom to Nederland.
6:56 na. Dili sa Netherlands. So naabot mi mga 12 ba? Or mga alas 2 siguro. Alas 2 sa hapon diri. Gahapon. So, tugnaw kestanan. So it's our first full day here in the Netherlands. So let's see kung sa may taboron. So at 9 a.m. na ami appointment sa ilang himente, ilang munisipyo diri kay kailangan mi magpa-register kami duha sa akong baby. Yesterday, diri ang parents ni Ruth. But wala sila idea nga maabot mi karon. So, kapon. So, gi-surprise naman sila. At the moment, si Ruth ug si Anna napasa room na mo. Atulog pa sila, gago pa sila. But I think I'm gonna start getting ready because dugay ko mahumanog di ko magdantag mga sa oras no. So yeah. I have to organize Anna's stuff. Actually, mini closet today, so I'll work on that later. And then mari daw ang mama ni Ruth later kay matabang siya ni Anna. Magbantay ni Anna. Yeah, medyo low akong voice kay basin makamata sila. I'm not sure if they can hear me sa room, but yeah, it's really a lot of mess right now. Yeah, magahe, nagkatag masura dira. Mga chichi-purichi. But yeah, Anna's room is cute. They had this one painted, and Ruth asked me what's the color akong ganahan. And I chose this one because at that time, although nana ko yung ultrasound na to, they told me na girl daw, but I was really thinking a boy jud siya kay tsaka kay kung pamati atong buntis ko. As in super tsaka, di ko nga make up, and then tsaka jud ko. Kanang tako kay kong ilong ba. And then even until nataw si Anna, I gave birth, I thought lalaki jud siya. So I chose this one para medyo if girl jud siya, girl siya. Yeah, dili kayo layo ba. Baby should color. On the way out now with the little darling there. She's not fussy.
She's doing good.
Yeah, it's our first time to go out. It's really cold.
No, it's not. Hij wel een t-shirt.
We're out and about. How far is your parents' place?
Within 10 minutes. Now it's pretty calm during daytime. It's calm. Yeah. Welkom to Nederland.
Yeah, maybe if you filled out the form, then it would only take 20 minutes?
No, because you still have
or
questions.
Longer?
You still have questions.
Okay. Yeah, it took only 45 minutes. It would take longer in the Filipino.
Yeah. It's done.
Medyo sapot si Anna gamay. I think ibugnawan ba siya or gilaay, di siya ka na maghigda. But yeah, first time outside was good. Although mingaw siya sa gawas. Oh, Inday, mingaw sa gawas. Ang mga tao kay nanood na sa bisina or school. So, yun si Rod pagadaw na mo dito. Hindi na ito tanawin kabunta kaya dagang mag-bike. Which reminds me, kailangan ko mag-practice og bike. Good luck. Kay tanan tao diri mag-bike man. Nasa lang special lane para dito sa mga bike. So yeah. Mali ang living room. And then kitchen. I'm gonna have coffee for the first time. Yeah. Butangan pa na namo dira og bed ni Anna. So, nagbutamig usa ka bed dere para if mag-arirami sa ubos din na siya kahigaan. Don't have to go upstairs. Hello. Hi. Mama. Hello. Good morning. Yeah, yesterday wala namin iwas og vlog. Wala na ako naka-vlog because it was so busy. Ruth's parents came by. And yeah, we spent time, we talked, and yeah, they helped out with Anna. Ruth had to go to work. But yesterday went well. Yeah, it was really nice to spend time with Ruth's family. We had dinner, we had family dinner. It was nice. We had Chinese food. I met his sister and also her partner. Chismoso kayo, anak. Chismoso kayo. But yeah, I thought Anna's okay with the time difference and ang iyang tulog. But nagmata siya ganihag alas 12. O alauna, siguro skadlaon. And then, yeah, alauna skadlaon. That means 6. Mga kuana sa ato 7 in the morning? No, yeah. 7 in the morning. Yeah, sa ato Unya, wala na tog og balik hantod mga almost 7 o'clock. Sa karong buntag. So, grabe, bataan na. Abi na kung naka-adjust sa time, di kapoy ra jud siya atong time mapag-abot na mo. So, natog siya maayo. But good thing is, akong rhythm morag na sa Pilipinas gapon. So, I'm not really tired. Gisapot ang inday. Gisapot. Okay, your bottle's ready. Whoa! Yeah! Can you bring the pacifier back?
Is it upstairs?
Yeah, in the room. Yeah. Already bright outside. Yeah. Birthday. Birthday.
Nieuw, Cool Best Premium Pineapple. We keep it cool, you get the best.
Nieuw van Valles, Aziatisch gekruide stukjes. Lekker van bij de rijst.
De leukste kennisquiz van Nederland.
Kandidaten tegenover elkaar stonden. Trump en Joe Biden vielen elkaar continu in de reden. Het was met name de president die niet kon stoppen met het onderbreken van Joe Biden. Dit debat was beschaafd, kalm, rustig. En ik denk dat veel Amerikanen daar ook behoefte aan hadden. Een debat dat ging over de inhoud. Ik moet daar wel bij zeggen, de kandidaten waren heel goed in het ontwijken van vragen. En ze kwamen er ook iets te vaak in weg.
Ze hebben het wel over het coronavirus gehad, maar niet over de besmetting van Donald Trump. Waar het daar de afgelopen dagen eigenlijk alleen maar over ging. Hoe kan dat?
Ja, dat was heel opvallend. Beide kandidaten begonnen er eigenlijk niet eens over. Ze werden er wel even naar gevraagd. Van de president is op dit moment een serieus scenario. En ja, de beide kandidaten werden er ook naar gevraagd. Maar zoals we vaker vanavond heel slim te ontwijken.
My mother-in-law came by yesterday and brought this one. Yeah, it was her birthday yesterday, but she was the one who bought flowers. And then Ruth got bananas and apples. Yeah, and then this one, yeah, we had this one yesterday. This is coffee cake. It's really good. I'm not really into cakes much, but it was really good. Mama ni Ruth kay ni Ari. Nag-coffee siya. Grote baby. Nee. Cute ka. Huh? Cute ka lang, geng? Cute ka? Cute na dira. Ih, ding bibi, ito bibi. Dusot tabi. Ano di mo katawa ang bata? Ano di ka mo katawa? Nano? Ano di mo na kung katawa na? Ikaw katawa? Ikaw katawa? Pag ako may nalingaw ani Jai. Balik na sa dito. Balik. One, can I leave this one here?
Just take it with you.
Hey! Hey! Papa, can I say goodbye? You want to say goodbye to Papa? Yeah.
Yeah, I have to go, Bob. If you have questions or something, then just text me. Yeah?
And your mom will come here, so it's good.
Ah, that's good.
Bye.
Bye.
I leave the here.
Let's take it with you. Bye, Mom.
And I say mom.
Mom, spread je later, Bas. Bye.
Papa's gone. Pam pam param. Mevrouw.
Sumani imong papa oy, sama ni gibutang dire. Tulog, matulog na ta. Oy! Tulog na ta. Tulog na ta.
Heerlijk smerig. Zo, Rome. Vales.
Sommigen zien de wereld zoals die is. Wij zien de wereld zoals die kan zijn.
Hier?